Okay, so we just got this in the mail. It's a pneumatic planishing hammer from Amazon. It was just under $400 to the door. And the brand is KAKA, and there's not really many reviews or info about this thing other than on the couple reviews on Amazon. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at what's inside. So this thing's probably the exact same as whatever you'd find at Harbor Freight in the States or Princess Auto, but I've seen quite a few comments of guys saying that Harbor Freight doesn't sell it anymore, and Princess Auto here in Canada doesn't list anything anymore either. So I think for under $400 should be a pretty good value if it's built the same as those ones. Got the different dies there. A little bit smaller than I was expecting. There's the third one. Seems like the switch itself is made of metal. The guard is plastic. It's got a lock on. The hammer's already connected. Airflow adjuster. Alright, let's keep going. This is got some weight to it. Well, the box says it's 58 pounds. Okay, well, I think I'll start setting it up here.